The probability that an undergraduate is accepted to a prestigious medical school is 0.3, or 30%. If 5 students from the same school apply, what is the probability that at most 2 are accepted? So the first thing we need to realize in this problem is that this is a binomial probability problem. And the reason is because, first of all, there are 5 students, which means we have a finite number of students applying, or a finite number of trials, and the probability is constant. It's 0.3, or 30%, which means every student has the same exact probability. The trials, or the students' acceptances, are all independent. So this problem wants to know, what is the probability that at most 2 are accepted? So it's important to understand, if we're going to talk about at most 2, that means we have 3 possibilities here. We have the possibility that none are accepted. We have the possibility that 1 is accepted, and we also have the possibility that 2 are accepted. So we need to find all 3 of these different probabilities and add them together. But before we do that, obviously we need the formula for binomial probability. So here it is. Now, it's important to remember when we're looking at these particular examples, it's important to label what we know, what we need for this formula. So since there are 5 students, in this problem, n is going to be 5. The x is going to change from the probability of 0, 1, or 2. But p is the probability of success. In this example, success is being accepted. So the probability is 0.3. And 1 minus p, which is the probability of failure or not being accepted, is going to be 0.7. And again, the x is going to change from problem to problem. So let's see what we have. We have, for 0, 5, choose 0, times 0.3, in this example, x is 0, times 0.7 to the 5th. 5 minus 0 is 0. For the next one, to set it up, we have c of 5, 1, 5, choose 1, times 0.3 to the 1, times 0.7 to the 4. And for the last one, let me put these pluses in here. For the last one, we have c of 5, 2 times 0.3 to the 2 times 0.7 to the 3. 5 minus 2, which is 3. So let's go ahead and do some of these calculations. So 5 choose 0 is just 1. 0.3 to the 0, anything to the 0 power is just 1, and 0.7 to the 5th is 0.1681. So this first product gives me 0.1681. In the next one, 5 choose 1 is just 5, 0.3 to the 1 is just 0.3, and 0.7 to the 4th is 0.2401, which gives me just 0.3602 when I multiply those together. And for the last one, 5 choose 2 is 10, 0.3 squared is 0.09, and 0.7 cubed is 0.343. And when I multiply these together, I get 0.3087. If I add up my 3 sums here, I get 0.837, or 83.7% probability that at most 2 are accepted.